We are in the town of Copala, Mexico. And it's a sleepy little town of about 400 people, we're told. It's the last stop on our tour. Thought you might want to take a little look around with me. This is like a big playground, right? And right up there is the town square. And a lot of work going on up here. You know, like these guys are painting, those guys are painting. Like, should I say painting? Uh-oh. And it's got a Copala sign. Now, we ate in this restaurant. It was included in the tour. It was pretty good. Beef fajitas and an enchilada. We got the words there. There's a little store up there. I'm not going to go up there. And there's somebody selling stuff here. Primaria. Bandstand. When we first came, there was nobody around. But I guess siesta's over and the town's coming back to life. Got a mural over there. Let's swing around, get a look at that. I think that's this town. Got a fountain with a swan, but no water. Of course, how many fountains have water anymore in California, right? And this church or cathedral. I'm going to walk in there.
Oh, we get a lot of rain. Oh, we get a lot of rain. See, for some reason, when the hurricanes are coming, this is Mazatlan right here. When the hurricanes is coming, someone wind comes like
just the shoulder, that's all.
Cabo.
Thank you.
Like most people in Cabo.
Thank you.
They get it all the time.
But look at this.
This could be flat.
Yeah.
But they do step out and step
Oh.
down.
It's a little dark in here, sorry. Because we don't have electricity. Now, they use chicken wire to keep the animals out. Make sure you scroll up and look at the ceiling. I think you'll like it.
Ever see it?
See, chicken wire.
It's quite cool.
It's like that man's looking down at us.
Let's see what's in here. Well, from the town of Copala, Mexico, this is Gareth from Port Monkey saying, I'll see you in the next port. Bye.